He didn't look at you?
No.
Is that something that you wanted? Acknowledgement?
I'm just happy that he has ears and he was able to hear everything that I was able to say. You don't have to look at me for that.
This was a young fella. His name is Dennis Morris. He's 24 years of age. You faced him in court and you gave a victim impact statement.
Yeah.
What did you say in your victim impact statement?
I just wanted to get across how much it's affected me, like day-to-day life, even like with my job. And I know my job isn't a big thing, and I know that he didn't stalk me or follow me because of my job. Like, could have been anybody, but thank God I had the platform to share what happened, because it could have been swiped and pushed under the rug, you know.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to get across that it has 100% affected me, and that like it's just not normal behaviour. And like even with his family and everyone in court, you could just tell that what I was saying just meant nothing.
For anyone who's listening in, what would you like to say to them?
Just trust your instinct when it comes to anything. If you feel intimidated, if somebody is making you feel any way, just please report it and do not keep it to yourself. Like, that is the main thing, and just use your voice, because we all have voices to use. And to any young woman out there, again, just be careful with your friends. Make sure that you're texting each other. I'm getting a lot of messages from women and from mothers saying that their daughters used to hate giving them their locations, and now they're like, oh my God, Mum, this is where I'm going to be today, and this is my location, which is exactly what I wanted. I just want everyone to be safe and to everyone just have each other.
Yeah. Chloe, listen, fair play to you. I know that must have been very difficult facing him in court.
Of course, yeah.
Was it very hard?
It was. He kept his eyes closed the whole time, which I just thought was very disrespectful.
He didn't look at you?
No.
Is that something that you wanted? Acknowledgement?
I'm just happy that he has ears and he was able to hear everything that I was able to say. You don't have to look at me for that.